Yeah, we're just going to be back testing for a bit. Give me a second. All right. We're going to be back testing for a bit. Black is beautiful, black is evident. Black is plain, black is joy, black is evident. Oh, black is beautiful, black is excellent. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. VWAP is something that works for the stock market. I stopped using it a while ago when I was trying to clean up my chart, not having indicators for those lines that I've been drawing. Even though they are accurate or even though they work, it just I don't like lines on my I don't like my chart having it just work for me. Let me just put it that way. It's work for me and I don't want to do it. I want to be lazy about trading to an extent. I've put in enough work over the years. It's time for me to be lazy. So that's why the viewer is on my chart right now. So I will never have to draw lines that just have visual representation of what's happening. Oh, this happened here. Oh, maybe if I wanted to draw a line, maybe like this high here, I just put a note. Oh, if price gets here, it may face consequences. But honestly, there was not much rejection up here. That's the thing. That's the weird part about all this. So, mm, drinking some mango juice here. Hmm. Kind of tricky battling sleep out here. Kind of sleepy. I mean, it's fair because I did my 100 sit-ups, 100 push-ups, 100 squats. I went to the gym, worked out. I'm still trying to. So right now I bench. Um, what is the number? 50. Okay, I was benching 55 on each side, but I can also bench 70 on each side. So from next week, or from my next bench, I think I'll start doing 70 on each side, and then squats have always has been 70 from the get go. I just started working out with weights like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So squats. No, it was 2 weeks ago. This is my third week working out. I think. Yeah, I think it's my third week. No, yeah, yeah. I think it's my third week. Yeah. So squats. I had Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Then Monday, Wednesday, Friday again. I think it's my third week or fourth week actually. Third or fourth week. And yeah, I don't know. And then squats I do 7. I started doing 70. I'm probably gonna increase that to 8. I don't know 10 to that, so 80. Um, 80. Right? Because 70, 45 plus 25 is 70. 45 plus 30 is 80. So I'll increase that to 80. Maybe next week. Same thing with my deadlifts at 70 right now. 70 on each side. So I increase that to 80 also by next week. Cause I can deadlift 20 in a row, no rest. So I just need to do that 2 more times, and then also squats. I need to get my shoulders used to, cause I think it stops my blood flow when it weights on my shoulder. So and I get lightheaded. I don't like that. So I need to get my shoulder used to that before I increase the weight. Is what I think. Um, that's my big three. The rest are I still do the rest different weights. Anyhow, let's go back to the analysis here. I've been awake this whole time. I haven't dozed off at any point. My eyes started becoming heavy, so I stood up. Um, I just haven't said anything because I've been thinking. I'm using my head. And it's not like anybody's asking me questions. So again, all the other videos I've been talking in, you can go in there, look at the way I trade. I'm just watching the same thing. Now I'm just watching how price behaves in the VWAP. This is the upper band, lower band. Middle line is really the VWAP. So how does price behave? Now it's above the upper band. Uh, Rejected from there. Plus this consolidation was actually a pretty good trade. Now we take that trade, risking down there 160, looking for 320. Right. It's actually held pretty nicely. Maybe take this trade, risking down there, and that'll be your last trade for the day. Probably have to get out at some point, maybe here or here. You're in there, just probably break even there or something. Broke above. Came. Is there any? Ah, I see. There was this here. This drop. Price never broke above this drop, so that point was really was good. So this volume, rejection, volume, plus the red line. This candle would have confused somebody, but maybe I've even got in on this candle. Probably got in on that candle, risking just above the red line, so probably up there, maybe 100. Maybe even there, 120, just to be safe, or just to be chill. 120, go 240. And then once it breaks below this green line here, it's now okay. What does price want to do? Um, but if we didn't take this trade, more than likely we would either take this trade here, risking down here, or we'll take this trade here, risking down here. But if we're in this trade, we'll probably not take the trade. So it'd have either been a loss here or a win here. And then next trade would be, oh, this one was what, 240. Yeah, next trade is right here. Break out of this, risking up here 110 for 220. It's good volume right there. This is not much volume. You want more, you want good volume when it wants to bounce. So how does price behave here? Broke, but this was heavy rejection. So you could have taken that trade there, skin up there 140. You got 280. Bounced again, good volume. How does price behave there? Well, when you're down trading at that point. And then this will be the last one we'll do for now. How does price behave here? Rejection. And then rejection there, you get taking that, risking either there or right there for me. So 120. Looking for 280. Yeah, 240. So we don't end up getting it though. This candle would have been confusing, and then pulls back. We always notice the low here. Pulls back, rejects again, confusing again. Volume. All right. So we're in short here. We get this volume, this okay volume, this good volume here. And so we're like, you know what? Let's just get out of this trade. Probably. That's what's gonna happen. And then it goes up. Maybe we might even let's take a long. We're seeing all the way down there. That would be what's it called? That would be a mindset, but probably would not. It definitely didn't work, obviously. When it went back up, there wasn't much volume rejecting back down though. So probably be waiting for it to work, and it's not working. This volume here. Let's say we're in down here with this volume here. Risking all the way down here, we'll probably just get the hell out of this. Oh, we'll probably just risk down here actually. So we'll probably get out of this here. Because we're in down here maybe. Get out of this. Just taking that small loss. And then looking for yeah, we'll be looking for a pullback, which may not happen, right? Or we could just take that trade there, honestly. 140. And then this volume here. We're like, okay, what the hell is happening? Is this going to work or not? Alright. I said that was okay. This is the last one. This is the last one. Oh, seriously, this is the last one. 7:30. This candle right here. What a rejection. What a rejection, indeed. The only risk we have is all the way up there. I'm all the way there. Damn, that's like risking, bruh. I obviously won't take that trade. But when it came to this line, boom, rejected, momentous rejection, and so it would not be too far off to have taken. Probably want to see it break this. So when it broke this, that's good. Now we know our low is right here that we need to risk, and so would have not taken this trade. We'll be waiting. CIBA, since we don't have a trade here, CIBA is up there. Nice momentous rejection there. Could have tried that trade. Probably this is not my style though. I won't take this trade. 110, 220. Doesn't work. Oh well. And so when we get this good rejection off of the view app, 180 is not too bad. If you wanted to wait, you could have gotten this 120, looking for 240, which you get. What is the low you're risking for? Sure. My back is killing me. I have workout again on Thursday. Actually, I like Thursdays my workout number three. I do like the number three one. I think it's like six different things I'm doing. I think there is first you start with clean and press. That one is pretty quick. Then let me see. Chin ups I think. But we don't do chin ups because I don't like the bar that's there. I have to lift my legs up onto like a 90 angle and cross my legs because I'm too tall for the bar stand. So I don't do chin ups. Just I don't. First of all, I couldn't do it that well from the get go, and then now you're having to be doing all these extra things, bro. I'm too lazy for that, man. So I just do an alternative exercise instead. So yeah, clean and press. Then we got barbell, bench press. And this is on Thursday. I'm gonna be doing this. Wait, this one's yeah. So barbell, bench press. This one's easy, man. And then we got barbell curl, then chin ups, then barbell squats. Mm. So I think on Thursday I'd have to increase my weight to 70 on the bench press, and then um probably I would just do 70 still on the squats, cause yeah, that's the workout. Standing press we got 55. Bench press we got 70. Clean and press was still at 55. Squats was still at 70. Front squats was still at 55. We can actually increase that one, right? Yeah, we can increase that one. Yeah, we can increase that one for the next time. Put it at not 70, not 70. Right, put that one at 65. So you just add another 5. Yeah, put it at 60 for now. And then barbell row. We're gonna increase that one too. That only happens same time. 62. Put that at 60 for now. Barbell press. Oh, bench press. I'm like, what is that? No, yeah, bench. I already have that there. Got barbell row. I know what that is. Barbell front squats, barbell curl, standing press. Oh, that's what I called barbell press. Oh, okay, I think that's it. I don't know that. And then barbell curl, I can only do 35 for now. So 35 on each side. So I'll work on increasing that one too. I wonder what the average people can lift. I wonder, am I just average? What is the average bench press for a man? I guess. The average bench press weight for a male lifter is 217 pounds. One rep maximum. So, an untrained athlete should bench press a good one times your weight. I'm untrained, obviously. I weigh 235 last I checked. 230, 235. So and I do 70. Okay, now I'm doing this. But these are one rep maximums though that you're calling. I think my one rep max would probably be maybe 80 on each side, or yeah, maybe 80 on each side. Cause I did the 70 the other like 2 days ago, and I did two. It wasn't too easy, but it wasn't too hard. Like I did two quickly, not, and that was after doing my normal sets. So I could, yeah, 70 is not that bad. So I think my one rep maximum, one rep, like one rep maximum. Oof, that'll probably be, if I'm doing 70, I think that'll probably be between 85 to 90, 85 to 100, I would say. Or let's say between 80 to 100. 'Cause I really don't know. One rep maximum. So if it's 100 on each side, that's 200 plus the weight of the bar. So that's 245, which is about my size or my weight. So I'd say that is good. But that's one rep maximum. I don't aim for one rep. I don't aim for that. I just work out. So we'll slowly increase our weights. Right now we're at 80. For we'll be doing 100 on each side, and we'll be doing that like child's play. Hello. Easy. All right. So whether you got in here or you got in here, it's all good. You're risking here anyways. So probably get out there because of volume rejection, plus this is the point where it was coming down from. You see the difference between this and this was a drop, base, drop. Right here we got a drop, base, drip, and you can risk literally the top of the base and you'll be fine. Top of the base, top of the base, top of the base. Plus, notice red line right above. Red line right above. Interesting. I didn't notice that before. Man, I was going to trade on a 15-minute, but so the risk on this should have been 27.30. Boom. Breaks level, pulls back, like that pullback, risking down here really. 130 or something like 140. Looking for 280. She got here. And then you can probably taking this trade here, risking down there. 100, looking for 200. Or that's if you didn't already add on these trades here. So let's say you took this trade here. Probably not. Probably take it here. Maybe here. So probably like this 140, right? And then you get this. Because if you look on the prior day, there is, where is the magnificent drop from? Could probably just put this line. This line is not even close. Maybe this line. Even this one's not close, so there was a drop here. So the main drop was this one. And then there was this one, I guess. So only this line and this line is what we had for this day. So something like this for those that don't have visions. Are this thing again? Horizontal rate was what again? I forget. Alt J. And then this one. Those are the only ones that would have needed to care about. There was no volume when you got up there for rejection though, so should have had this straight long. If I didn't risk there, I could have easily risked here too. So it could have been this trade, risking this, but I'll probably risk here. 140. About 280. Probably have sold somewhere here or something. Maybe not. Maybe added here. 120, looking for 240. Maybe added here too. Maybe added here. Or on this candle right there. Then I put this as break even. This is already break even, right? So I mean this add here. Risking down there 120. 120. Looking for 240. Probably stop that break even here, maybe. Sure fucked up today. Alright, my back hurts. Let me put it down. And then we can start back testing. It's 10 o'clock right now. So we'll back test till for an hour plus. And we'll go sleep after. Alright, so January 2022. Wait, what? Wait. Wait. This is a 5 minute chart. This is January 2022. Why in 2023, right? Why in 2020? So we can go back a year? Oh, I didn't know that. Let's go back further then. Because we started at June on the prior one, right? So let's go. So that was January 6, 2022 that happened there, right? Well, we can go back further even. Can we? Oh, we can go back even further. It's November 17th. That worked. November 5th. That worked, bruh. How far back can we go, baby? We got back testing data for days. October 21st, 2021. We're going further back. October 11, 2021. We're still going back. September 29, 2021. Holy. September 17, 2021. 5 minutes? September 7th, 2020. Oh my god. August 20th. September 7th was the last one, right? August 26th. Still working. August 16th. Bro, how far back can we go on the 5 minutes? August 4th. My lips are so dry. The corner of my lip actually cut. I don't know when it cut, but I think the weather is pretty dry. Um, I'm pretty sure. I think what happened was I did not know the weather was dry. I think I bit my lip to remove the dry skin that was there or something. I don't know what. And then I don't think it's healed. Or more. Weather is dry, sha. July 27th. That works. Holy 2021. All the way back 2021. July 15th. Oh my god, we got back testing for days. July 6th and more. July 24. Oh, June 24. Oh, we're still going. June 14. Oh my god, tears running down my eyes. June 2nd, 2021. Yo, did they update their thing or what? Like, because you weren't able to go this far back before. May 21st, 2021. I really want to see how far back I can go. May 11th, 2021. Holy shit. April 29th. April 19th. Wow. April 7th. Whoa. March 26th. March 16th. March 4th. Did you say glitch? March 22nd. February 22nd. February 10th. January 29th. January 19. January 7. 24 December 2020. 14 December 2020. 2nd December 2020. 19 November 2020. Holy shit. 9th of November 2020 was the last one. We're gonna try and get. So we'll go all the way. So we're in November 9th. We know that worked. Let's go to August 4th. Ah, 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 ha, aha, aha. All right, August. So we know November 9th work. So let's go to November 9th. All right, let's go to October 26th. Hmm? October 14th. October 2nd. We just saw August or something didn't work, right? September 22nd. September 10th. September August 31st. August 19th. August 10th. Okay, August 19th was the last day basically. So let's go to August August 19, 2021. It's faster to find it here. August 19, 2021. August 19. 18 is fine. All right. Let us start our back testing. Let us add our indicator VWAP. Just gonna delete this first and then edit this, save as default. Okay, and then come back and put it again. There you go. And then I'm gonna go to daily. So right now we're here. Lines are all the way up there. It's fine. If you don't have a line, we'll add it. 54,000. So during these times, it would seem that so this is all the way back in 2020, and during these times, you can see that there's a lot of space between the red lines. Very interesting. Like if you go today, look at two red lines in your screen. Zoom out, and you got a good amount of red lines because there's a lot more volume, right? A lot more volume, so price is just moving up and down like a lot. That's what that means. So if you zoomed out here, you could only see 3. You zoomed out there, you could see 5, right? So one thing to note, but that's not what matters to us. Let's just look at this day. We're not trading this day, but let's look at it. The price opened all the way above the VWAP, pulled back to the VWAP, rejected here as I was approaching. You could have taken a trade right there, risking. You could risk there. I would probably risk here. 45, looking for 90. Don't quite get that, but at least you'd have been able to break even if you wanted to break even. And this volume would have given you confidence, but that volume would have destroyed that. This volume would destroy your confidence, and then you probably wanna after this drops like this, probably wanna get out of the trade somewhere. So as you can see, only risking all the way down here is 45, right? That tells you that there was a lot less volume back in prior to 2020 and 2020 than there is now. Trading is a lot more mainstream now. So it's not necessarily different things that are happening, it's just more volume in the market. That literally is it. All right. Well, during the day, you had this low form, we had this volume there, rejected. There was this rejection here, and then there was this doji you could have tried. I would probably not. I personally would not take that trade. Um, this one would have maybe last you just break even on your trade and move on. You get what I'm saying? Break even on your trade and move on. All right. So then, maybe you only broke even on that day. Oh well. Let's go to the next day. Let's go trade. It's just 3 a.m. 4, 5, 6, and then go to 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we don't have to draw our lines. 7:25. All right, let's see what's happening. 7:30, we come to the market. We see it's kind of dropping, but it's rejecting. It's bouncing off the VWAP. Beautiful bounce off the VWAP. Big rejection. I like this rejection. I'm going to take a short there. Short there. It's a good bounce off the VWAP, but it's also rejecting the upper band there. I'm going to risk right there 30. Looking for 60. All right, next. Holy shit. Off rip. Off rip. Off rip, we are getting bullied. Off rip. Off rip. Holy shit. Okay, that's fine. We lose this trade. Off rip, bro. Like right at the get go, we are getting destroyed. Trading is a different beast, bro. Trading is a different animal on its own. Alright, we'll take that short there. We didn't want to take it here, so we'll take it here. Risking 22 plus probably 10, so risking 30 there. I was just about to say it's not my style. As I said, it's not my style. But if it had worked, I probably would have still said it. Probably may not have, but it's not my style. Maybe if I was really gonna take it, because the reason why it's broken the high, that's not good. Secondly, this candle is not too bearish. All right, let's look for a pullback up onto the green line. We have this low here. We can risk. Oh my god. Oh my god. I guess we didn't get stopped out. If you are taking the trade, you won't have gotten stopped out because you risk 10 above. Or it was even 32. I just risk maybe even 20 above 40. Get your 80 down here. Oh my god. No. 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 I just knew this would happen. Man, all shit is trash. Garbage. Don't like it. Ew. Disgusting. Ew. Ugh. Oh my god, bro. It's not my style though, but that's not. It wasn't a bad trade. It's just what you risk and where you. Oh my god, bro. It's trading, man. It's damn trading, bro. Oh my god. Holy. Help me. Oh, rejection there. You wanna see how it behaves? Yeah, it rejected. Too far. Help me. I feel good. Do. I know that I will. I haven't found it. Nah. I feel good. I know that I would. That's good. So good. So good. So if you're taking this trade here, I said nah, right? But if you're taking this trade here, 60, you'd have been well on your way to taking. Watch out for the view up though, but you'd have been well on your way to taking profit at 120. So good. So good. That's not much volume, but probably beware. Oh, you probably wanna do something there. Maybe take half or get out completely if you're not me who likes to hold it straight through everything, come rain, come sunshine. And well, I win, you sold half. Alright, that's enough of that disgusting behavior. Compose yourself, Michael. You're literally running mad. Please stop this before it gets too late. We had a good run. Very, very good run, I tell you. Very, very, very good run. That trade there wasn't too bad. Very good run. Why did we take that trade? Don't ask me stupid questions. Are you dim? We took the trade because it was a trade. Don't disturb me, man. 9:30. We still got a ways to go before we can even stop trading. Um, what are we looking for? Let's look for a pullback to this red the view app right here. Maybe we can risk down here. Get a good pullback. No, that's not good enough. Oh, that's a base for me right there. Rally base. Whoa, rally. Rally. Oh my god. Oh, that's nasty. Couldn't even touch the upper band of this. And plus all the volume that's in this candle. Plus it just destroyed it. Is it gonna break downwards? Nope. It holds strong. It holds strong. Oh, not. Oh, he's holding strong. There you go with that candle. Confirmation, bias, everything is in. Break of that candle. We risk down here. Is it going to work? Oh, yes, it goes. One, a two, a three, a four, five, six, seven, eight, eight, calm down, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Think it's a joke? Think I'm here to play with you, bro? Keep going up and don't stop going up, my friend. That was good volume correspondence to this, and good volume relative to all of this, but we hold. We hold. Now we dance. The blues advance. Actually, now we break even. That is okay volume. Okay volume. It could still come down. You see, it has this volume here, so beware. Ah, okay. Ah, all right. You probably want to get the hell out of the trade here. Just get out of the trade there. Just get out. No, that we already done trading at this point, so just get out of the trade. Get out of the trade, bro. There's no need for you to go through all of this headache. Was it worth it? No. Or you could have put it as break even. But still, it's not worth it, bro. Just get out of the trade. For the frail of heart, you want to get out of trade. For men of valor like me, we put it as break even and we hold. We. What's happening here? That's not very enticing. Hello? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just knew this stupid shit would do this. After this candle, disgusting. Absolutely revolting. Ew. Alright. This is it. We're done with this today's nonsense. This trade didn't work out. This trade was out of boredom trade, out of the box trade. He ended up working out. Maybe it's 20 above, so 40, looking for 80. You end up getting an 80 right there. Pulls back down. You wanna see how he behaves? Yeah, pulls back, push, slap the thing back down. And then we get back in here. And then this momentum, volume, everything, all of it in one kind of goes up, pushes up here, holds here, pushes back down. Beautiful rejection. They take the trade, risking on the dip. It continues and gives us profit right here. Yes, sir. It's 10:25 p.m. I'm making so much noise. I hope my neighbors are not pissed. But I don't think no one can hear me because my voice is actually pretty low. I am controlling how loud I am. I mean, I may seem loud to you who is listening, but I'm actually, that's because the mic is right here. But for someone who's outside, they probably can't hear me because I am considerate of my environment. Um, let's go to 1 hour and get out of here. Go to the next day. Ra-ta-ta-ta. 5, 6. One, two, three, four, five, 6. All right, what's happening today? We have this drop, massive drop, disgusting drop. Prior day, we already traded past this. We don't need to worry about this high anymore, and that's the only point we care about really. Yeah, we can care about down here. It's not too bad, but this drop, this drop, holding. All right, let's see the 730. We go long here immediately. Immediately, we don't want to be hasty about it. Don't rush me. Please stop pushing. Get in line. Please stop pushing. No, we don't go long. Reason why we don't go long is, no, we go long. Oh, we don't go long. Wait for the next candle. Oh my god, we should have gone long. Shit. wait for a pullback and a rejection. You see what I'm saying? Like that, and then we take that trade and risk all the way down here. Kind of want to risk there, but we'll just risk here. Risk 40. Shit. Ew. Oh my god. I'm gonna get stopped out. That's just disgusting. I knew when I saw this stupid ass candle here that something was wrong. The reason why we didn't get in on this candle was because of this prior candle, but we didn't wanna. We're like, you know what, 7:30, let's just do it. But it's all good. This drop, rejection there, rejection here was not a bad short, but we can't take this candle because of this candle, and then this candle we can't take it because of this candle, and then this candle, and then this candle, and then this candle, and all right. Let's see what's happening. Like down here, you can okay. If you want me to, I already know there's a lot of buyers in here. Get what I'm saying? We had good moves from here. So, but this is not the type of candles we want to use to decide our trade. Wait for a move and a pullback if that's what we have to do. Okay, that's a good candle. That's a rejection. See, we're not playing like that. And it's rejecting on the red line right there. I'm thinking short. I am thinking short because it aligns. Everything aligns. I take this short here. And we risk all the way up here because we don't want to hear stories. If you're going to stop us out, at least be in a direction so that we will be ready for our next trade. Why did I take this trade? Huh? Why did I take this trade? A tear drops right down my eyes. Stop! You didn't take that trade. It was all in your imagination. You can rewind and you still won't see the trade. See, I knew it was kind of bullish. You know what I'm saying? I knew it was kind of bullish, but we just didn't have an opportunity to get in. Only this candle, but there was rejection up there, and the prior candle wasn't all that. This candle now became, oh my god. Holy shit. Give us a pullback. It's not giving us any pullback for shit. There you go. Oh, that's sexy. Sexy. 50. Looking for 100. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do do. What in the world is this, man? Such a choppy day, bro. Why so choppy? Oh my god. I was even thinking maybe we should have just gone in here. You get what I'm saying? Like, right. Come here, right here. Just right there. Uh, 40. Just sneak it in there. 35. Looking for 70. That'd have been nice. Oh my god. Oh, that would have been zesty. Looking for 70. We're still looking to go higher. We broke out of the consolidation. Everybody knows going up. Everybody's getting in for it to go up. Everybody's going up. We all wanted to go up. Don't care about that candle. We're going up, baby. Huh? Okay. We're going up, baby. Huh? We're going up, baby. Out there. Out there, risking the low. So what's the distance? Risking 40. So what we get? What is this? It's not good. Is what it is. So what we smoke? Oh my god. Oh my god. We just having fun. What? Oh my god. We don't get who's. Oh my god. That's break even right there. So what we can fly. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. I'm just gonna get out of jail right there because that was unnecessary. Holy shit. Unnecessary. Rejection plus volume. Ugh, disgusting. And then pulls back and rejects the VWAP right there. Shows nice volume rejection on the VWAP. And then that's kind of looks bullish too. Not a bad place to, get in a trade. But we're already in this trade is why it makes it a little sad because we don't go because we don't what don't we do? We don't add to the losers because we're risking 25% per trade is what we don't do. Ah, that sucks, man. If only we are able to get in here too, you know? That would have been nice, right? Right. Right. Down. See? That would have been nice, right? Right. It had just been this, literally. Get in here. Instead of risking here, could just risk there. 30, looking for 60. Just a little bit there. Holding. Oh my god. Father in heaven. What in the demonic shit is this? Are you trying to piss me off, bro? Is that what you're trying to do? Cause you're doing a very good job at it. Shit. I guess it was more bearish than bullish. Cause this is nasty. Maybe some kind of news came out. If you're only risking on this here, if you're only risking down here 20, you would have gotten your 40 that you needed. Ah, just thinking here. How can I take how can I take how can I add to positions on a losing trade? 'Cause if I was able to add here, risking down there, maybe, and then break even on this one, and then come back and break even on this one, and then take profit on this, you'd have been up whatever 2 hour you added here, right? This is like break even. But instead of doing that, we could always take profit earlier too. Hmm. Like today now, you'd have had points where you're like, oh shit, I should have taken profit, you know? Like here, right here, that was volume. Volume to the downside. If you're taking profit, you'd have missed this move. That's the thing. Because there was no much volume on the downside on any of these points. It was just here that volume came in. But there was rejection though. Rejection. Even 2 days ago, I believe. Or was it 3 days ago? It was I was gonna say even on, bro. How far away is the? When was this? Please just give me this stuff right here. So far away, man. Seems like yesterday. Yeah. This volume, man. Just gotta stick to one method. Either we take profit or we don't. But it's not the question, of course. There's also the adding down there. I'm okay with not taking profit. I'm okay with break even. But it's like when you're in a loss and there's still an opportunity. Let's say you got in too early. Now, why can't we add? Because you'll be risking 50% of your account if you do. Shit. Like even if I didn't add here, I'll definitely add here. So, but damn. Why can't we add? We've had how many trades without needing to add to a loser? Let's see. One, two, three, four with a loss there. Oh, that was only one trade one day. And this one we didn't add to a loser too. Let's move on. When we have more money, we're trading, 2% or whatever, and then we can put trades wherever we feel like. Wherever we feel like. Oh, there's volume here. Let's get in a trade, 2%. Ha 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 ha. It's not a matter of taking out your profits smartly. Maybe that won't work for me. Maybe that won't work for me. Maybe that won't work for me. All right, let's do more back testing. What's the time here? 12:10. Obviously, she's just going down, so just let it drop up until we're done trading on this candle. All right, so now we'll go to the next day. All right. Got destroyed. Pull back up to the green. Rejection. Destruction. uh, 725. What do we care about? Just this line here, honestly. It's the only line we care about, really. And then the red line. That's an obvious one. And then this is not bad here. It's right at the green. It's not bad at all, see? Price will bounce where price has bounced before. Likely. Not will, but price is likely to. Now let's get a pull. Alright, don't pull back then. Be like that. Let's get a pullback. Stupid. Oh my god. Just keeps going. You'll be my man, and I will be your man. Wait. I started the song, right? And I knew the lyrics was "You'll be my man, and I'll be your woman," sung by a woman. So, I have nothing against just singing the lyrics of a song as is, regardless of how you look at it. It's just when you just think about it for a second, just 1 second, it just feels weird. I'm nobody's woman. a big man like me, physically grown, shall be no one's woman. I am literally male. It's weird to sing that song to me, for me, but you still catch me singing it at some point, just unknowingly. I feel good, da 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 da. I know that, I know that, I know that, I know, no, I know that, I know that, I know that, I know, I know that, I know. Oh, I thought that was a good rejection, but psych. Here is a good point. It was a nice drop from here, so let's see how price behaves there. What price is doing is forming a base. So what it's doing. This is all disgusting. I didn't even get an opportunity to enter, bro. Like we saw this in the Come on. No opportunity to enter. Let's see the 15. Nope, no opportunities to enter. That's just rude, you know? Absolutely rude. All good though. That's a nice job from here. It's from the base here. Let's see what's popping. Funny. I've seen this happen many times before, and I kind of figured this particular candle or something similar would happen. I'm just thinking maybe next time I should just take the risk, because these candles are not bullish. No sir, no sir. So maybe next time I'll just take the risk on that candle, risking 65, looking for 130. All right, that's a short right there. Pushing the higher day. He gave us the bamboos, just like bamboos. You know, that's what he gave us right there. So that's a normally a short, but I was still thinking like this is good volume, and try it here. This is good volume. This is not just this is good volume, and the volume that came for the short, this volume and this was not relatively big or enough. Hmm. So maybe even you have taken this as a pullback to take a trade here, risking the low, maybe risking down there. 75, looking for 150. Also, if you are taking a trade here, right, you would have even broken even and you'd have been fine. You'd have not been break even yet at this point, but now you'd have been break even. So 65, looking for 130. Profit acquired, end of trade. Good to know. This no, this is not the type. We expected this pullback. We've seen this many times before. Where it creates a low that it's but without an entry per se, and then pulls back and then creates another low, like around the same low. We've seen that right on the base too. That's the risk right there. Today's trades, we had this low here, and then we had this low here. We also had this wick here, but we had this low here. If we're going to add to the trade, it would have had to be around around no, around here. So on this candle here. Risking down there, 120. Even 240. Then if we're gonna add again, it would have had to be here. Pullback, rejected, pushed up with a little more volume than rejected. and then break of that candle, possibly risking this low 125. Looking for 250. Would have had three trades here. This one here, long. This one on the ad. This one on the ad. But this one is probably will probably have broken even on this one. Probably. Because we're risking 150 or 125. It went up to I guess maybe not. We're not breaking even yet on this one. But at this point we're not break even. And probably the only trade we had would have left. Oh no, not yet. Would have the other one too. Alright, let's go and back test some more. Once price breaks over here, interesting. Once price breaks over the green, over an upper or lower, or if price breaks an upper or lower bound, sometimes it may your best bet for it to go back down is to wait for it to break the lower band and close below, and then you wait and see if it will break the VWAP. Or break that band. Otherwise, it's likely going to continue in above that band in that direction, or below the band in that direction, like that. So first you wait for it to break above the band. This was just a very good trade. That's why we're taking this trade here. Otherwise, it may have been the only trade we took. This just looked really good. Like it's like don't miss me, don't miss me. So I was like, okay, fine. Eh, disgusting. But yeah, otherwise you wanna wait for it to break above. Let's give you an example here somewhere. Give me an example. Give me an example. Give me an see right above. It never really broke below. Give me an example. Oh, right there. Another one. I'll say what? Another one. So price broke above. Nice. Broke above red line right there. Rejected the red line. At this point, you won't wanna. It's not a bad low to take off of this trade though, right? Risking, right? Because I'm not gonna risk all the way here. God forbid. Otherwise, this was not a bad trade right here. So if you took this trade here, risking this low at 60, looking for 120, you'd have gotten a profit eventually. And you will not take this trade. And then there was this trade, pullback to this high here, probably taking it there, something like that. Here, 72, looking for 150. That would not have worked, unfortunately. And then there was this rejection, disgrace. You look for trouble and trouble, you get rejection and outrage, disgrace, for shame. Yeah, you'd have had to sit through all of this with your one trade that you took here. Or if you didn't take this trade at all, then you would have had maybe this one if you were gutsy enough to risk down there. This risking down there, so something like this. 40, looking for 80. Or you could risk a little lower if you wanted 50, looking for 100. Well, this was the ultimate risk right there. It was a good risk right there. No, this is the ultimate risk. This was a good risk, and this is just eh. Not much volume to with rejection. Broke above the VWAP too. But yeah. On the day this was 735, 730 right there. Rejection to it breaks up above the zone and then closes below the zone on the pullback. That's a no. That's a no. Alright. And then bounces off the VWAP. You could have taken that trade there. Such a bad trade. Take that trade, risking this low here. It's not a bad trade at all, actually. You probably lose, but it's not a bad trade at all. So yeah, not probably. You definitely lost, but it wasn't bad. It wasn't a bad trade at all. It was not a bad trade at all. This was the high here with this drop. This right there. Then rejection. Okay. Boom. Boom. So maybe when you see these black candles, you probably want to run out of a trade. Probably. Or maybe put it as break even, waiting for something to pull back and see how it behaves. Yeah. Otherwise, just take one loss and let it go. And then if you're gutsy enough to take one loss there, you should be gutsy enough to take this trade and take your profit. But yeah, that's an example of something that closed back above that line. And yes, we got this momentum, but there was no pullback for us to decide to take that trade. Here's one trade on one of these days I'm looking to see. It was which day here? It was which day here? Was it this day? I think it was this one. No, 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 it wasn't this one. Broke above, pull back, taking a trade there. Rejection of the VWAP. That probably would have worked. 150 or 160, looking for 320. 150 WAP with 160. Choked. Worked after hours though. This was an ad there. Not here. Oh, yeah, risking this low, and then there's an add, risking this low right there. Oh, we're done trading by then. But this is not what I was looking for. I had I had we're going all the way back, yo. No, it was last month. It was definitely last month. So maybe I've passed it. It was definitely this month when we're still in January. Oh, this is right here. See, we're in the zone. I was checking if this particular point was in this um upper lower band. It was because we remember we're taking this trade that day. It was above. Take it risking down there. We don't take profit. We don't take profit. And this candle was when we ran out of the trade because that's a heavy volume. For some reason, it was rejecting a lot. And so I guess on this fresh close below the upper band, you probably wanted to be wary. And then on this, you'd be like, okay, with this volume plus this candle, out. You know. So the trade was initially here, risking down there, basically 90. Huh. You would have even got it stopped out, but if you had held this trade, you would have taken profit, I guess. Otherwise, this would have been your trade here, risking down there now. So it'll be here, risking 90. Again, looking for 180. You get your 180 there, and then you get a pullback. You have this low now. You have a pullback here, taking a trade here or here, one of these two candles. Here, risking down there. Oh, I guess every trade worked. And then at this point, you're already done trading. Okay, next, let's go trade another day. Um, damn, 1 hour. It's 11:03, so it's gonna be our last trade here. Oh shit. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 725. That's a very bullish run. 7. Is this 730? Oh shit, it's so small. Interesting. Is there volume on this day? This is the only low. We want to pull back, and then we get up long. It's not a bad one. It's pretty good, but the low is so far. I don't think we'll take this trade. It's pretty down. Oh, just 140. Not too bad actually, given the fact that it's on the run. I guess the pullback is high, so risk is 140, I guess. Or you could just have taken the trade here instead. This would be 100 basically. 100 looking for 200. Does that work? Oof. That line from 3 years ago still holding. Forgot about the line here. Alright, so let's guess this. What point do we care about? We care about this point. And is there any drops? I guess we care about this point right here. This point, this drop here. That's about it. That drop, that line. So that has this black line here. I'll have this black line here, and that's it for the drawings. Rest is on rest yeah. It's not a bad trade right there. If you are not taking any trades at all, this is the trade you've all been waiting for. Risking down there, 65. That's it right there. Mm, 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 mm. Alright, we don't like that. We do not like that at all. So what's going to happen is um we kind of don't want to switch, but with this volume to the downside, it's not a bad idea to switch, right? So I might as well just switch the trade there. Our risk will be right above these consolidations here. Yeah, so just right up, right on that candle there. So something like this. I don't know. Do I switch? We're already in a trade. Might as well just leave it as break even. Yeah. Might as well just left it as break even. Since consolidating, get our break even and look for a long. So if you're in, you're risking here, you haven't stopped out. That's the thing. That is the thing right there. Funny enough, you're here and you're risking break even, you're still not stopped out, eh? Yeah, man, just leave it as break even because the volume on the upside is still good, but these drops are also recognized. So, okay, that's not good. And then you be break even and let it go. It's one of those days that's probably just gonna consolidate. It's not gonna give any full long or short. It's just gonna consolidate. It's not gonna really take profit. It's not gonna give you that TP that you want. Obviously, the direction is long, but damn, it gave TP though. So let's say this was damn, it's getting stopped out, bro. It's mad. So we had this candle, and then we had this candle, and then we had this candle. This is not a bad candle to get in though. Again, after getting stopped out here, you watch. This was okay. We're probably gonna go down now. All right, and then this candle happens. That's actually pretty bullish. So 75, looking for 150. It's at 1235. Then it breaks out of these highs. And if you didn't get in this trade, you could have you could have gotten in this trade here. Risking 50, looking for 100. So about the same point. And you'd have basically gotten your 100, I think. Nope, 100 is up there. So you still be holding, looking for that 100. And you'd have had sell probably around here. Market closed around here, so market closed and you don't have your thing. You probably had sell. And the market closed today. Right there, see? Once market closes, go down. Most of the times volume is out, so you might as well just get out of your trades at that point. Unless you're swing trading. Then you should not even be looking at the 5 minutes in the first place. So yeah, this would have probably moved either here, so that broken even, and then you would have, okay, so now we have this going up. We have this low that we've already used or we're using again, and then it formed this low, so we've not broken the high. We need to break a high. It broke the high on the way, pull back down to test these highs, and we have this low that formed, so that'll be a second trade right there. And you close both right there. That's it. All right, it's 11:09. I am going to brush my teeth and sleep. All right, good night, boys. We've been doing this for 2 hours and almost 30 minutes. Maybe I should just go brush, leave it run.